everyone, I am RPM Nexus. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a fairly decent headset for a very low budget. Just in case any of you gamers out there are rage quitting on your headsets, or mom and dad just are getting tired of buying the expensive stuff, you can actually point them at this particular headset. It is going to be the Atrix L series from Gamestop. So far, I love everything about this headset. There's a lot of good qualities that I like about it, and then there's maybe one or two not so good qualities I don't like about it. I mean, unlike all other cheap gaming headsets, a lot of the wired headsets will be attached to it. You won't be able to detach unless you got a power headset, which the headset cord will detach from it. It's like a regular auxiliary cable, which is really cool, so I can use any auxiliary cables on that. But I can't just take this out whenever I get tired of it, because obviously it's not detachable. And then as far as the craftsmanship, the only thing I could say that I don't really like about it, it is the cord that's on the side right here. It's this little bitty piece of cord that, if you can see it, that I'm worried about that may get caught on something and might be able to just break in half. And then another thing on this particular headset that I don't like about a lot of these headsets, go with this pleather kind of fake kind of leather stuff, which is really cool. It's comfortable. I mean, I love it so far. I like how it just it fits on my head. And there's a couple times when my daughters walked in and I didn't really hear her when she walked in, but when she got close to me, I heard her. And then you got right here at the bottom, you got the volume chat controls right here. You got the top, which is the volume up and down. Then the side, you got the mute button. Usually I typically just don't chat with a lot of people, so mainly I just got the microphone, which is detachable, which that is a plus for a lot of the cheap gaming headsets out there, so I like that. Then it's got the regular the 3.5 millimeter kind of jack there, and then you can look at right here on the side with the hole right there, you can actually see where the headset goes, well, the microphone goes into the headset itself. But I mean, it's kind of sturdy. I don't think it'll break, but I'm worried about the cord inside of it, because I can actually feel the cord. I mean, this is, so far, I mean, I like it, except for the pleather. As I mentioned, over time, this pleather will start to give out because all the sweat, depending on how much I game and everything. Just like the power headsets right here, as you can tell, over time the headset just kind of deteriorated with the the cloth. I mean, that's horrible. I don't like that. Oh, I just threw it away. But this, I love the Atrix. I love everything about this Atrix so far. But I gotta get me a wireless headset for my Xbox Series S that I just picked up not too long ago. But so far, I love it. So if you're a gamer that plays on Nintendo Mobile, Xbox Series X, or the S, or the One, or the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, it doesn't matter what gamer you are out there, this right here will be handy just in case you are just going on a field trip or something like that, that you just want to take a cheap headset so you won't lose your expensive ones. Or if you like me, you got smaller kids around, and you don't want them to get a hold of your expensive ones, you can keep this around and they can use it as a play thing or something like that. So that's it of the review. So we're going to take a closer look at all the really cool specs about this so that you could dive in a lot closer to it and all that cool stuff. Here's all the really cool information that you guys may find convenient about this particular headset. It has a 40mm drivers to support and intensify the gaming experience, a 4-foot length cord, synthetic leather wrapped foam air cushions provide long-lasting comfort, a convenient inline volume and mute controls for uninterrupted gaming experience, and has a multi-platform capability: PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and 7, and its 3.5mm auxiliary connection. There is one thing that I could say I forgot to mention a few minutes ago about this particular headset. The only thing that I could say about this headset is that it's not completely 100% loud. I mean, it's got the comfortable volume where if just in case you accidentally hit it and it turns up the volume on you or something, but it's not extremely loud, so don't go into expecting this particular headset to be super loud. It's not going to be really loud compared to more of your high-end headsets out there, or the power headset that I just showed you a few minutes ago. If you want to take a look at that particular video, you can take a look at it right there and check that headset out, because that is a pretty good, decent headset when I was able to use it. But this headset, I like it so far, and once I get my hands on more headsets in the future, which I do have a headset from a particular buy that I did, $200 gaming accessories, particular video. In that video, you can take a look at it right there, or you can look it down in the description. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's a lot shorter than before, and I will see you in the near future. And matter of fact, in the next video, which is going to be something from the $200 gaming accessories. I'll see you soon. And remember, hit the subscribe and the bell notification, because guys, I love you. I want to see more of you on this channel and talking with me. Hopefully in the near future we'll get a live stream going. Alright guys, no more talking. I love you. Peace.